2-1. Popped up, shallow left center field, and the air is going to cost Rancho a run unless Coe comes up with a dart. The throw to the plate is cut off. Coe batting .225 in a Rancho uniform, no home runs, 4 RBIs, including 1 driven in Morris. See, I'm here tonight, including my age, holy smokes. Anyways, without thinking saved by the bell. Screen, is it Belvedere? No, Belden, yeah. Pitch on the way to Coe. Fly ball lifted down the left field line. Fitzer is coming on. He will make the catch, and that will retire the side. For Coe. Lefty-lefty matchup. Pitch on the way. Slider misses out. Pitch coming home. The Taiwanese 19-year-old ready for the 2-0. Dodgers just last year. Just about a calendar year ago in June of 24. He lifts one high and fairly deep to center, but playable. Brito is back there near the warning track. He makes the 2 away. Pitch on the way, grounded towards the hole and through on the left side. Here's Kalaz rounding third. The throw coming home from Coe is late. Down to second on the throw home and up out in right field. Pitch on the way to Coe. But may not get there at this rate. 1-0, busted bat, and a soft ground ball hit down to third. The only play will be for the third. The 2-2 coming home from Zach Morris. Got him with a breaking ball. Swung on and missed. Morris comes set below the belt. Runners go, 3-2. Lost him, that's way inside. 3-1 on the way. Osorio takes high, ball 4, and a run on Jose Hernandez. The pitch grounded sharply up the middle and into center field for a base hit. Scoring from third is Coe. Right behind him is Victor Rodriguez, and the Quakes are within. Pitch. Next offering on the way. Do it. 0-2 on the way from Zach Harris, all the way to the backstop. Here comes Myro. He will score without a throw. And away to Ching Sen Coe from Zach Harris. Misses, if you will. Pitch on the way, grounded up the middle and off the glove of a diving second baseman, Daliz, into center field. Coe's first hit of the night. So the Quakes will get that run across one way or the other. The passed ball a moment ago allowed the run to score, but now that run becomes... Pitch coming home, ripped down the left field line, and there's a season high in hits. And extending the season high in runs as Chambers gives up a run-scoring double. Is an incredibly classy gesture from John Shoemaker and company. That is a wicked hop right there. And next offering on the way, lined into left field, down the line for a base hit. And extra bases for Roynier Hernandez. Digging it out of the corner is Coe. 21 hits for the Fresno offense here tonight. 2-2 offering, lifted into left field. Coming on is Coe. He's going to make the running catch, and that will retire the side. Fresno gets another. Two outs. 0-1 on the way, all the way to the backstop. Pitch on the way to Coe is lifted into center field. Moving over to his left is Brito. He is there. He'll make the catch. Zach Harris and Davis Chastain on the same college baseball team now on the same professional field, pitching in the same game against one another. There's a fly ball into left field. Coe and Martinez converge. It's going to be Coe to make the catch.